Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be living my beauty guru fantasy and I'm going to attempt to do my eyeshadow. I have the very basic minimal makeup skills. I've never worn a full face of makeup. The most I've worn is mascara and brows when I tragically had these threaded. It was awful. Technically this is my second time trying this. I tried to do eyeshadow a couple of days ago. One eye was okay, surprisingly. The other eye was completely botched. It wasn't too bad, but this is going to be the second time trying to apply eyeshadow. I've watched makeup videos since I started watching YouTube and I just never have gotten into it, partly because of psoriasis and I just couldn't cover it with anything. So I do really like how eyeshadow looks. I went out and bought my first palette. It is the Makeup Obsession Sweet Light palette. It looks really cute and for £6 it wasn't too bad because I'm not forking out on like £50 for a palette that I might never use again. Before we dive into the eyeshadow, I'm gonna fill in my brows a little bit. I am using the CYO brow sculpting pencil. So I was thinking, what do I want to do with this channel? I like fashion, definitely not gonna be a makeup channel. I like vlogs. I like vlogs mixed with normal videos. So I was thinking of doing some fashion videos and basically whatever I want really. Eyeshadow time. I have a grand total of 3 brushes. When I bought the palette I also bought a highlighter. I don't really have a brush to use to put it on. Swatches, they didn't work out, so we're just gonna, this jumper needs washing anyway, it's all good. Which of my 3 brushes am I gonna use? I know people can do it with just one brush, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. From what I've seen, people do transition shades, and I'm guessing it's like a medium colour, so I'm gonna use this one. I have no idea how to do this. I think the first time I did it was a complete fluke because one eye, this eye looked good. Don't know if you can even see that, it's basically my skin shade. Yeah, so one eye was actually quite decent, and then this eye, it was a hot mess. She had looked like she'd been on a night out. I think it's a dark one next. So I'm gonna, so this is the darkest one, but I could use this one and then this one, but I'm gonna go for this one. And we're gonna take it. I look like I've been punched in the eye. You know what, no, it's fine. We can salvage it. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad, does it? It's not exactly... Okay, we'll fix that. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. Right. We're gonna carry on. So I think we're gonna try and soften it out by using a lighter colour. Is that what we do? You know what? We're gonna do the lid because hopefully that will save it. I don't even know if this video is gonna make it to the internet because this is kind of tragic. Just wow. Right. So I'm gonna attempt to sort this out a bit. I'm gonna try Blossom. Oh, did it work? Did it get any better? I don't know what I did the first time because this is not going. It's not going too well. It's not. It's just not. This is my second time doing eyeshadow, so we're gonna use that excuse. No matter how many times I look at it, it's not gonna get any better. This is clean, so what if we just buff it out? Is that gonna help my case? I'm gonna just try and put a nice pink over it and see if it does anything. Oh, nope, definitely made that worse. As a 21-year-old woman with no makeup skills, I am embarrassed. So that we can end my suffering a little earlier, I'm gonna just put some mascara on and hope that it makes it better. There was a lot of fallout, so it's gone all under here. Yeah, this mascara isn't the best. I've had better, and there is glitter in my eye, oh my gosh. This is it. My fabulous makeup look. So I'm gonna do one last coat of mascara and we're gonna call it a day. So this is the final makeup look. I don't think I did a good job, but this was only my second try, so yeah, this is it close up. I have a lot of work to do. I know, I need something. I need a miracle to do something spectacular. I was gonna attempt, we're gonna attempt highlighter because it's the end of the video. I'm not going out anywhere either, so it's fine. So this is the Makeup Obsession Mega Calmer highlighter. I just picked it up because it was like 3 for 2. It's brown. I don't know, can you see that? But I thought I'm brown, it might go. Oh, that looks like mud. I'm just gonna cover the fact that I just put something not my shade on my face. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, please be nice, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from my tragic self. I'll see you next time. Bye!